In a world where flavors and experiences blended seamlessly, we embarked on a thrilling journey to uncover the cultural differences between the US and Hong Kong. It was a quest that promised to take our taste buds on an adventure of a lifetime. Our adventure began at the welcoming doors of Panera Bread. It does not have any locations in Hong Kong. Panera Bread primarily operates in the United States and Canada, with limited international locations. Panera Bread was our first stop, known for its commitment to clean, freshly prepared food made from carefully selected ingredients. I couldn't resist indulging in their delightful coffee and sandwiches, setting the tone for our culinary exploration. Our breakfast consisted of juicy sandwiches paired with organic low-fat milk from Horizon, a choice we all share. Next, we wandered into the Home Depot, a renowned grocery store that offered quality and affordable items. This American retail giant was a treasure trove of tools, construction products, appliances, and more. While browsing through the impressive selection, I was drawn to the barbecue stoves on display, igniting a spark of desire. Our journey continued with a visit to the famous Target store for everything from groceries and essentials to clothing and electronics. Among fresh and healthy fruits and vegetables, avocados caught my eye. Their vibrant green hue a testament to the store's commitment to providing the best quality produce. Compared to supermarket prices in Hong Kong, the price-performance ratio of products at Ralph's is relatively higher. With its massive discounts adorning the aisles, Ralph's was our next destination. Known for its dedication to low prices on groceries, Ralph's did not disappoint. The fresh produce section showcased succulent tomatoes, crisp broccoli, and an assortment of organic delights. After thoroughly searching for essentials, I finally found my favorite Horizon milk. And my cart was filled with eggs and bread. Curiosity led me to a supermarket in Hollywood. Here, most of the products came with a higher price tag, but the promise of unique benefits made it worth the exploration. Our journey took a delightful turn as we stopped for a burger treat at In-N-Out Burger, a Californian gem that couldn't be found elsewhere. This burger chain set itself apart with its unique operating model, emphasizing the daily delivery of fresh ingredients and avoiding franchising to maintain consistent quality across all its locations. As we hit the road again, it became clear that fueling up was a self-service affair, a practice foreign to Hong Kong. The route presented intriguing differences, such as carpool lanes for vehicles with more than 2 passengers, a creative solution to the traffic problem. Another convenience that stood out was the liberty to turn right on a red light, a driving practice unfamiliar to Hong Kong residents. Our journey concluded with a quick stop at McDonald's, where we opted for the drive-thru to savor some nuggets. It was a familiar taste, even in a foreign setting, and it was a service not commonly found in Hong Kong. It was time to shift gears and embark on a culinary adventure of our own. We decided to make chicken skewers that would tantalize the taste buds and transport us back to the flavors we had discovered on our journey. We kicked things off by crafting an onion garlic sauce that would infuse a savory essence into our chicken. Rinse the onion with water first to reduce the irritation to your eyes when cutting it. Pick the appropriately sized saucepan based on the specific recipe or dish you are making. Olive oil is always recommended. Sautéing finely chopped onions and garlic in a tablespoon of cooking oil, seasoning with salt to taste. You can use more or less water to reach the consistency you desire. Tomato paste makes a fantastic foundation. And adding a dash of vinegar, soy sauce and honey, we created a flavorful sauce that would be perfect for future culinary creations. With the sauce ready, it was time to prepare the skewers. We sliced bell peppers and onions for a colorful mix and cut boneless chicken into squares. These ingredients were threaded onto skewers, creating a delightful mosaic of colors and textures. The barbecue grill was warmed and the chicken skewers were placed on it, sizzling and turning golden. Once perfectly cooked on all sides, we sprinkled them with homemade sauce and a dash of pepper, completing our culinary masterpiece. Our culinary journey has ended, but we promise to bring you more exciting experiences in the future. Until next time.